Unveiling the meaning, point the direction. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard or used. Point the direction. Whether you're navigating a new city or guiding someone in conversation, understanding this phrase can be incredibly useful. Let's explore its meanings, uses, and how it can enhance your English communication skills. Ready? Let's get started. Point the direction is often used in its most literal sense. Imagine you're lost and looking for a specific place. You might ask a passerby, "Can you point the direction to the nearest subway station?" Here, you're requesting physical guidance. You want the person to show you which way to go, typically with a hand gesture or by indicating a path. It's a straightforward request for spatial guidance. Interestingly, point the direction can also have a figurative meaning. In non-physical contexts, it suggests guiding someone's thoughts, decisions, or actions towards a particular idea or outcome. For example, in a meeting, a leader might say, "Let's point the direction for our project goals." Here, it's about steering the conversation or planning process towards a specific focus or objective, not physical movement. This phrase also pops up in everyday conversation. It's a versatile expression that can be used to offer advice, make suggestions, or provide clarity. Saying, "This book really pointed the direction for me when I was learning to cook," implies that the book was a significant guide or influence on your learning journey. It highlights the role of guidance and influence in various aspects of life. To effectively use point the direction in your English conversations, remember, in literal contexts, accompany it with specific details about the direction you're seeking. In figurative contexts, clarify the goal or outcome you're aiming to guide someone towards. It can be a powerful way to express the concept of guidance, whether physical, intellectual, or emotional. Point the direction is more than just a navigational phrase. It's a versatile expression that enriches our conversations and interactions. Whether you're offering guidance, seeking advice, or steering a project, understanding and using this phrase can significantly enhance your English communication. We hope this video has pointed you in the right direction in mastering its usage. Until next time, keep exploring the depth of the English language.